This week we've been testing something a little different than what we're used to. Yeah, it's a vacuum. It's actually the GREENOTE GSC50 Cordless Hoover to be precise. Yeah, we indeed welcome all kinds of tech on this channel. Okay, as we open the box, we are greeted with a nice welcome to the GREENOTE family note, where you have the opportunity to join the GREENOTE official fan club. I didn't even know Hoover companies had fan clubs. Underneath, we have very secure packaging. Everything's nicely protected with a refreshingly clean and precise multi-language use manual included. Okay, so there's 2 layers, with the top layer consisting of most of the GSC50's vacuum extension poles and accessories, like one long crevice, a 2-in-1 crevice, a metal extension tube, and a maintenance tool. The second layer, we have a floor brush, a HEPA filter, the main cylinder power unit, and the DC charger. Let's go ahead and attach the long crevice to that main cylinder power unit. Do we have power? Yeah, we do. And depending on what surface you're using the GREENOTE vacuum on, well, you will have all of the accessories in the package to do a cleanup job just right. We need to go ahead and add the included roller brush head, inserting it onto the long crevice until it clicks. And to use the GSC50, you simply got to press the power trigger, which has 2 kPa speed levels. Now, while we used the GREENOTE GSC50 vacuum for around about a week, I must admit, it's actually been real nice to use. Maneuverability, it is rather swift and smooth. That roller end will get into tight nooks and crannies with precise suction settings for most kinds of chores, including edge cleaning, cleaning carpets. In fact, we use this vacuum in our car too, as it is indeed very mobile, and throughout the week we've actually used it mostly on wooden floorboards and surface tiles. That 200 watt brushless motor with up to a 23 kPa rating will pick up small and medium dirt particles very easily, and because we have had time to use the GREENOTE Hoover, depending on the suction setting that you choose, it will last between 12 and 35 minutes in one continuous use, depending on the 2 kPa settings that you use. Yeah, I know 12 minutes, it doesn't really sound like a lot of time, does it? But with the soft setting, it actually does a pretty good job. You literally don't really have to choose that second setting, and you will get a good 35 minutes use, being able to clean a large living room within just a few minutes. Yes, the GSC50 will indicate a low battery level, and when it does, you then just simply have to attach that included DC charger, and because we've actually timed the charging, it will take around about 4 hours to charge that internal 2200 mAh battery. Lastly, emptying the GREENOTE vacuum, it is super easy to do. Press that metal tube lock, pull off the tube, just like so, unlock the dust cap locker, empty the dust cup and give the filter a swift clean. Yes, using that maintenance tool included. So everything's easy to maintain, and not only that, you can go ahead and wash the HEPA filter using lukewarm water should you wish, but make sure it's 100% dry before reinserting it into the GREENOTE Hoover, reversing the extraction process to seal the vacuum unit once again. In whole, I do like the GREENOTE GSC50. In fact, I like the little LED lights to the front. It's easy to see where you're cleaning, so you'll be able to spot all of the dust particles that you may have missed with other Hoovers. And to be honest, I can't really find much, if all, anything to really grumble about. I do like how light and mobile it is, and I think it's just a cool 2-in-1 tool to not only give a room a quick clean over, but to also allow you to clean inside of your car within a few minutes and get right in between the sofa, being a good all-round general purpose vacuum. It's fantastico! But in regards to the price, well, I'm going to leave that up to you. It's on screen just now. Yeah, I do think it's a fantastic gadget. You simply stand it up in the corner of your room, it is freestanding, and it actually looks kind of jazzy too, in that nice bright colour tone. We are going to give it, we're going to give it a 9 out of 10. We do think that the battery life could be a bit better, but in whole, if you do want to check this out for yourself, well, I've left a link in the video description down below where you can take a little look at, and if you like it, what you've seen today, why not go get yours? Yo guys, while you're in that video description, if you do check that link out, please like and share this video wherever possible. I'd very much appreciate it. Not only that, I would really appreciate the support if you subscribe to this channel just now. Go on. Bearing in mind though to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now yeah, it's been different reviewing this type of gadget this week, but like we say, we do welcome all types of tech on this channel, and I hope you guys stay tuned to our very next video. But you know what? Just check this out on screen just now. Here's one of our previous videos. You can watch this one. Or if you want to, if you just wait a little bit longer, there's another one just there. Click it, yeah? But in the meantime, I'll see you guys soon. Peace!